Welcome to the Ash Street Inn in Manchester, New Hampshire. I'm Chef Rob from Ash Street Inn. Tonight I'll be making some pumpkin pancakes, and the inn was built in 1885. It was a gift from a mill owner to his son as a wedding present. So we're carrying the tradition of the inn today.
Great, you're on.
Good morning. Today I'll be making my famous pumpkin pancakes. The ingredients are made from scratch. We have my dry ingredients, which are flour, baking soda, baking powder, a little salt, and sugar. Then I have my pumpkin puree. Make sure you don't use pumpkin pie mix. It has to be the puree. Then I also have my homemade pumpkin butter, which is served along with New Hampshire maple syrup with the pancakes. And then I have my secret ingredients, my pumpkin pie mix, which you can buy, but I make it myself. Buttermilk for the acid in the for the pancakes and help them rise. And then I use some local sunflower oil from Capel House Farms in Lee. And of course I have cage-free eggs here as well. And now I'll assemble them. I start with my dry ingredients. Start with my mix, then a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie mix. Put those together. Then I add my egg. One egg, 2/3 cup of buttermilk. Get that going. And once it starts getting mixed together, I add about a tablespoon of pumpkin puree. And about a tablespoon of oil, just a little oil with the mix. And we'll put a little oil on the grill when we're ready. And then I let this sit for about 3 or 4 minutes for the buttermilk action to take place. So now I have my griddle up to about 375, 380. And I'm going to just put a little canola oil on it. Let it sit for a few seconds. And then I just kind of spread it around evenly. Let that settle. The skillet is ready. So now I'm going to take about 1/3 cup of pancake mix and make 4 pancakes. We serve 4 pancakes as a serving here, and since it's made from scratch, everybody gets 4 pancakes. So now that the pancakes have been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes, bubbles are starting to form on the outside, and I'm going to just check one, make sure it's brown on the back, and then I just go down the line and turn them all over. And then we'll cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So now the pancakes are ready, and I'll be taking them off the grill. Served with pumpkin butter and New Hampshire maple syrup.